Libera Financial. Today's money bag alert. We'll take a look at their official website as well as the interaction from the community on their official Twitter page, and we'll do some price prediction and technical analysis on their own proper dashboard with charts. Welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said, out the way, we got what you do in the bear market will define your success. So we got 3% BUSD daily, 1,095% APR. We got 105% max compound bonus weekly, auto compound with withdrawals, 1% TVL daily deposit price, 9.5% max referral bonus. So there's ways to make money utilizing Libera's BUSD LP for higher earning potentials. We're going to get into some of these crazy tokenomics. If you're one of the winners from Libera, I want to hear from your guys' side. I want the community to go ahead and load up the comments, not just only with bullish comments, but if you've been one of the winners of this, let me know how this works and let me know how long you've been interacting with Libera Financial. We got BUSD 3X Miner. Deposit your BUSD into the pool and earn back 300% with 3% daily return or 1,095%. So there's been over $1 million deposited and more than 42 days working. So that's pretty epic right there. 3% per day, auto compound and claim. 2,909 users earn more than $112,000. So that's pretty epic right here. We see total value locked is continuously growing up and up and up. So we're going to take a look on this a little bit deeper. Like I said, if you're part of the community, leave some comments down below. I want to know what's going on with this one, especially if you're one of the winners. We got frequently asked questions. I'll have all the official links down below where you guys can tap in. Number one, biggest total value locked miner across blockchain, 100% auto BUSD miner with the most advanced and huge sustainable ecosystem that maximizes your investment in the safest way. Okay, so we got earn dual rewards in BUSD and Hyper Deflationary Libera. BUSD is real cash that keeps you safe in any market condition. This is something that I've been talking about since last year. If you hold, BUSD or get rewarded in BUSD, that is a way for you to avoid market crashes, and let you hold the other tokens while they pick up, because now you got a little bag on the side of BUSD. Libera is the world's most hyper deflationary token, 25% burned every sell, the only green coin in the deep red market. Okay, and the market is red because of our social tokenomics. The Libera price will only go up in the long term. Why? People need to buy to create liquidity. Buying pressure only go up. Liquidity only go up because more people deposit their LP in miner and bank. Price floor is more hardened every day. World's highest burning deflationary token, 25% burned every sell, 1.01% circulating supply burned every week. So that is very hyper deflationary. Okay, we got what makes BUSD 3X miner sustain longer than any other miner projects. Okay, we'll add that up in there. We got the BUSD 3X miner is the latest miner game in the industry that has enhanced anti-dump, anti-whale measures to ensure the longevity of the project. These measures include new deposit incentives, compound incentives, daily biggest depositor prize, maximum deposit limit, maximum withdrawal limit per day, accumulation chart cutoff time, accumulation cart cutoff time. So I would like to know more about the anti-whale tax, early withdrawal tax, incremental compound and withdrawal tax, maximum payout. So we got what are the benefits for new players? Huge rewards that is accumulated and increased day by day for new players. Biggest deposit worth 0.5% to 1% of the TVL will be paid out to the largest single deposit per 24 hours. Currently, $5,500 per day and counting fast. It is growing pretty fast. We got 0.1% more buying power every day for new deposits. So that's pretty huge. We got the tokenomics right here. Limited supply with highest burning rate. Earn 3,746% Libera APY inside itself. Earn highest BUSD passive income. Low buy fee with hourly buyer rewards. Okay, so this is the bottom of the page. We'll go to their Twitter page. Make sure you guys give them a follow. Make sure the bell notification's lit. Let's get this over 100 likes. Let's get this over 100 retweets. And if you guys can, make sure you guys smash the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And make sure that bell notification is lit. Like that, you guys do not miss out on any future Libera Financial content. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind right there. So we're going to go ahead and scroll up. We got Libera Financial dashboard. This is epic right here. I like this. It's tracked by Dex Screener. And we see some support lines right away that I want to identify for those that are interested. We see this lower support right here. Let's go ahead and identify that. And we see this resistance that's happening right here. And we can identify that pretty easily by the these arrows that we're going to use right now. So we have the support first right here, of course, right, making that new zero threshold. And this is an area that we'll pay attention to as a area of resistance right here once, and also right here again. So we are trading within this channel. We possibly can find a channel within right here where we can push off of at $1.61. But right now it seems like that resistance to go test all-time highs is that $1.79. So that's something to keep in mind. Go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure the bell notification is lit, and leave some bullish comments for the community down in the comments below. Continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.